Hey everyone, Gil here for Camppatton Family Compound, and we're going to go over this week's coming attractions here on live streams. So let's go ahead and enlarge this here, and we can see what's going to be going on here. So we got Tactical Tuesday coming up, Thursday Talk, then Friday Night Special, and Survival Saturday. So for Tactical Tuesday, we are going to be covering face protection. What's your choice? So we're going to be talking about goggles, safety glasses, respirators, dust masks, full face shields. What's the difference, and when would you use any or all of these? All right, it's at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, and there's your other times below. On Thursday, we have Thursday Talk. What's on your mind? Open chat, so you help run what we're talking about. We want to know what's on your mind so we can talk about it too. It's at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And of course, the Friday night special. And this Friday's topic is natural disasters that change the weather. How do you prep for that? We'll talk about everything from volcanoes and earthquakes and other things that are natural disasters that will change the weather. And that's at 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Friday. Survival Saturday is up next, rounds out the week, and we're talking about store what you eat, eat what you store, how to do food storage, and to make sure you're not wasting your money buying stuff you're not going to use. And it's at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on Saturday. So to recap, Tactical Tuesday is face protection, 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Thursday Talk, what's on your mind, 10 a.m. Friday is disasters that change the weather at 8, and Saturday survival is store what you eat what you store at 5 o'clock. So we'll see you then. And so in the meantime, stay happy, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.